Superpro Upper Control Arms are an absolute must for every four-wheel driver. If you're installing a lift kit and you're not installing that Superpro heavy-duty 4x4 upper control arms, you're missing out big time. One thing that a lot of people forget when they put a lift kit in their car is alignment. It's often you jack the car up and your alignment's totally off. And Superpro have come to the party with their heavy-duty Australian steel 4x4 upper control arms for just about all your most popular four-wheel drives. They're in this beautiful Hilux here, and when we get back to Sydney, they'll be going in the Prado over my left shoulder, and it's going to absolutely transform the car like it has with this Hilux. Now they come in both a standard non-adjustable and an adjustable, and they're heavy-duty. They're going to be able to increase your caster, your camber correction, all those important things for your alignment. You're also going to get increased clearance between the tyre, the strut and the control arm, which is really important when you're trying to run bigger wheels, bigger tyres, and you've got that incredible articulation. A set of Superpro heavy-duty Australian built and manufactured control arms are an absolute must for your four-wheel drive.